this got nothing. So I love the turbos. I mean, I was going now. I want to make those okay. That's my mom. I can't play this. Tablet. Do you guys like my rock? I just picked it up outside and then I just started to paint because I was feeling very bad yesterday and I decided to paint it. And now little spider time. I made him Jerry. I can't really see him in the camera. Oh, Jerry. I have a nice this. They like to put on the walls of the place sometimes. They like me the most. I thought that was how artist. Jerry, have your home back. Here you go. Jerry. This one. He went to his other house, which is he loves sleeping at it. Oh, by the way, gonna have my boss sit up here. I look at the fire. I have another one. In the happy box. I have a happy boss person. By the way, my real name is not Charlotte. My real name is Mai. It's M-A-Y. And by the way, I'm gonna go sorry. I'm Filipino, so no, we can't. This one's, I know. This one's Kimberly. This one's Yuri. This one's Ashley. These are the names. Ashley, Kimberly, Yuri. I just had the lip one. I like this. So comfy. By the way, I have some bracelets, but the black one got lost. What the hell? Oh, it's just right. No, my squishy. That's safety. Oh, by the way, this is Ash. I like him. This is squishy. By the way, later, I think I'm gonna bring my iPad. We're going to Orchid now, which is also a dinosaur too. I kinda actually very tight. You can't pay for the big, but I want to work hard, so that's why we have to money. Money. Sorry, I'm not that. I just flop everything out. Today we're gonna solve this. I think first we do this. Let's put it here. I hope it doesn't fall. This, okay? Now I'm put the other one like this. And I'll work on it. Now you put the yellow over here. put the red like this. It wraps. And now you put the blue here on the top with the red. And we just and now how do I get red? If you give me the by the way, whoever I can English. I just freaking stumbled into that. I can't. Let me just do this. And I guys put where do you put it? Oh, it is like this. Like this. Okay. And now you put the black here. Black ink in your area. I love black ink. I love Lisa and Jenny. There's a hole in the butt. Like this. Perfect. I put alcohol here and it stings. I like it. I put alcohol here and it stings. I love when DJ Turbo did this. You should probably got like 1, 2, 3. Wait, no. 3, 2, 1. Sorry. I might get mine. Hold up. I have a little upload with a blanket. Let's just continue doing this. Finally, I'm done. You guys like it? It's a masterpiece. I'll put that there. Oi! I'm so frustrated. Aray, sugat ako dito. This is very toolis. Keep Filipino when I'm recording sometimes. What's this? Disturb. By the way, this is a capybara. This one's a Taba sticky capybara. It just started with lots of eyes. I love capybara, so there's on my back. Here, I just lay down to them when I'm breastfeeding. I have a Hello Kitty, which is not a nice gift for my chair. Hi, mommy. If it's gonna be but I'm gonna go with it. Don't make it. I'll just do it. And so that's it. Hello, my name is Ash. I'm a girl and I'm 3. I'm 4 years old. That's the bow. I think that's the bow of the head. Cherry. Mama, pahinga naman ako na. I literally have one piece left and I can't put it anywhere. Oh no.